Hello everyone, welcome back to the JLabs with a new fresh episode of your Python series. This is Jaidev, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today we're gonna diving into a excited topic called variables in a Python. It's time to kick off the things. Yeah, first of all, we need to understand what is variable. Okay, so variables is nothing but actually variables is nothing but like it's a name given to the memory location in a program. Okay, so what do you mean by this? That the name given to the memory location, that is mm, variables variables. Okay, okay, yeah. So first of all, uh, what is the definition of variable? A variable is a name given to a memory location in a program. Like we are defining like in Python, suppose name. Okay, if you are declaring a variable, and inside that if you are putting your name like Jaydeva, so then the variable holds the Jaydeva string to the name variable. Okay, so here in the Python, like we are not able to declare any data types and all. Like first like suppose age you are trying to do like a 23. Okay, so like a price, suppose. Okay, so if you are like a 43.56, okay, 56. Okay, so these are the variable. It is assigning Jadeva is assigned to the name variable. Age like 23 is assigned to the age variable, and price like a 34.56, it is assigned to the price variable. Okay, so here like basically, yeah, moreover, like if you are declaring a variable with the name, okay. So in memory location, like somewhere else, it will be stored like Jaideva with the location name will be the name, okay. And if you are somewhere else, like the age will be stored 23, and that reference will be the age. If you are like pricing somewhere like 34.556 somewhere else in the memory, it will store, and that reference variable will be the price variable. Basically nothing but like it's a keep on varying, okay, keep on changing. Let's suppose like we have age like 23, the next year it will be 24. Indefinitely it will change, it will be stored in the same variable. Okay, so let's go to the Visual Studio. We can see the things details in there. Okay. Yeah. Let's suppose like we are declaring name. Okay. Var name equal to Jaydeva. 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 So it is declaring name. Okay. Sorry. Var is not required. Only name is required. Okay. So that means like it is a somewhere else in the memory, Jadava is stored, and the reference is the name. Like if you are printing, if you are printing uh, name with the double quote, with the double quote, it won't put the reference like give the reference to the that name. Okay, it is a different string. It will print. Okay, so you can see like the name will print. Yeah. So like if you are not giving, you need to give like a without the double quote, so that like it will print that the actual object. Okay, that means Jayadeva it will print. Okay, let's suppose age, if you are printing like 23, so if you are printing age, and it will print 23. Yeah, you can see it will print 23. And like suppose like salary, you can salary, if you salary is like 25.99, so it will print that salary like here. Okay, yeah, I hope you are able to get the things. Just like if you have any doubt, just ping me on chat, so definitely I can reply back. on this. Thank you. This is for the day, and we'll meet soon in some other episode. Thank you.